This is Nippon, Elgin, Collegiate. There was a black logo, Elgin. But it was missing right now. And then another thing is this is a paper release, right? Even though it's right now it's not the release position, but still see the paper does not properly fit. See, it's not works. So that means this feed roller, or also the behind the feed roller, does not work properly, right? It's not turn. Sometimes turn, but normally does not turn. So we need to push this one more, right? And then maybe it works. But the means the one thing is inside there is a spring here, but spring looks like good. So that means this maybe we need to push more like this. So I found some screw here, both sides. There is another screw. So I guess unscrew and then little bit more like this way, and then screw. That means I guess more tension for this feed roller. But behind one I cannot control. But right now the front one, just if I do front one, it will be I think working okay. So let's see. I already unscrew, and then I using the another hands push close to here and then screw like this, and then exactly same the other side. Now it's much better. See, yeah, a very simple solution, but I guess let's see. I can make a flat, and then let's see. A little bit loose, but much better. Also, I took the bottom, the cover to clean. It was very dirty, so I cleaned. It's very good, right? It's very clean right now. And then I found one, this one. So Jim, that's yours? When I meet you next time, I return this one, okay? And then you give me a huge discount. It was like on the lake, so sometimes make noise. So I look at inside, and then I found this one from the inside. That's not mine, okay? Yeah, but it's not perfect. After push and then screw, but much better, but not perfect. Also, this paper bale, it's almost done. It's very dry out, and then inside the holder and then rubber, it's not connected, easily take off. So yeah, maybe we need to change this one. But okay, and then I put back this one, and then I do some sample typing. Okay. I'm gonna compare the size. This one little bit there is a extended base, so consider that part little bit bigger than this one. It's without this almost same with the skylighter. And then this design, it looks like very design every size and then size very close to the Royal Light. Next time when I review the Royal Light, I'll compare with this one. And then a couple days ago I also reviewed the console 233. Yeah, almost same size, but I guess this one is weight is light. This one is heavier because this metal is a very solid one they use it. But around here it's very they use the very light material compared to this one. This one is more solid for the key around here, but the main body is a very hard one. This one solid one. And then as you see, this one little bit taller than this one, right? Also you can see the little bit taller than this one. And then the pattern is this one is very small. Use the very small one. This pattern is a little bit bigger than this one. So yeah. So the ultra portable typewriter, a lot of people recommend that this one is a best one, number one. But I didn't see any review for this one because it's not common in America. So that's why I choose it today. Let's see some sample typing. Thank you for watching.